Welcome back to the Bike Zone, where we bring you in-depth coverage of the latest motorcycles from around the world. Today, we're taking a closer look at Yamaha's latest entry-level cruiser, the 2025 Yamaha Bolt 250. With a reputation for blending classic style with everyday practicality, Yamaha is aiming to make a serious mark in the lightweight cruiser segment. So, is this the perfect bike for new riders and urban explorers? Let's find out. Design and styling. First off, let's talk about the design. The Bolt 250 carries a bold cruiser profile with a minimalist touch. It features a low-slung frame, a clean teardrop-shaped fuel tank, and matte finish color options that give it a rugged, premium look. You'll also notice bobber-style elements like the solo seat, chopped fenders, and a short exhaust that add to its stripped-down, no-nonsense attitude. It's clearly inspired by Yamaha's larger Bolt models, but downsized to suit riders looking for style without the intimidation of a big engine. Performance and engine specs. Under the tank, the Bolt 250 packs a 249 cubic centimeters, air-cooled, single-cylinder engine tuned for smooth, manageable power. This engine is built more for cruising comfort than outright speed, but it holds its own in both city traffic and on open roads. It delivers a predictable throttle response and enough low-end torque to keep you engaged during short highway rides. Paired with a 5-speed transmission, the gearing feels well-balanced, making it easy to ride in both stop-and-go traffic and longer stretches. Whether you're commuting or just enjoying a weekend cruise, this engine feels just right for the category. Comfort and ergonomics. Comfort is one of the Bolt 250's strongest points. With a low seat height of around 27 inches, this bike is very approachable, even for shorter riders. The wide handlebars, forward-set foot pegs, and relaxed riding posture combine to create a laid-back feel that's perfect for daily riding. The suspension setup, telescopic forks up front and twin shocks at the rear, handles bumps decently and keeps the ride smooth, even on rougher roads. At under 170 kilograms, the bike is also surprisingly nimble for a cruiser, giving riders confidence when weaving through traffic or parking in tight spots. Tech, safety, and features. Yamaha didn't cut corners when it comes to features either. The Bolt 250 comes equipped with a digital instrument cluster, full LED lighting, and an optional ABS system for enhanced braking control. The display gives you all the basics: speed, gear position, fuel level, and trip info, in a clean, easy-to-read format. Yamaha is also offering a range of accessories, including backrests, saddlebags, and custom exhaust options, so you can really make the bike your own. These added conveniences make the Bolt 250 more than just a cool-looking bike, it's actually practical too. Price and who it's for. One of the biggest selling points of the Bolt 250 is its price. Yamaha is clearly targeting new riders, commuters, and anyone looking for a budget-friendly cruiser without sacrificing build quality. While exact pricing may vary by region, it's expected to come in well below the competition, especially models like the Honda Rebel 300 or Royal Enfield Meteor. This bike is ideal for someone who wants that cruiser look and feel, but doesn't need a ton of power or weight to enjoy the ride. Wrap up and final thoughts. So, to wrap things up, the 2025 Yamaha Bolt 250 delivers classic cruiser style, beginner-friendly performance, and surprising versatility at an affordable price. It may not be the fastest or most powerful bike out there, but it's definitely one of the most approachable and stylish options in the 250 cubic centimeters category. Yamaha's done a great job making this bike accessible without stripping away the essence of what makes cruisers so appealing. Thanks for tuning in to the Bike Zone. If you liked this breakdown, hit that like button, subscribe for more bike reviews, and let us know in the comments, would you ride the Bolt 250? Or are you waiting for something bigger? Until next time, ride safe and keep it locked to the Bike Zone. Let me know if you'd like a version with callouts for background music cues or segments for editing.